be talking about what to do with products that don't work for you. Now, because a product did not work for you doesn't mean it's not a good product. It could be just your skin type or the concentration of the product, or there's a particular ingredient in that product that irritates your skin. So now, instead of just keeping that product in your skincare shelf, letting it expire or throwing it into the trash can, today I'm going to be showing you very useful things that you can do with that product that will be more satisfying to you and to others. So if you want to know things that you can do with your products that does not involve throwing them away or keeping them in your shelf to expire, then stick with me on this video. Hi, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary, and if you're watching me for the first time, Wonder Beauty is a brand that's focused on helping skincare beginners find their way around skincare. Topics that you're going to be finding here are topics that are going to help you get your game on in skincare and get that glow that I know that you desperately want. So if you're ready like I am, let's begin this video. The first thing to do with products that do not work for you is to give them away. Now, you can give them to your friends, you can give them to your loved ones, you can give them to your neighbors, you can give them as a birthday gift to your colleagues at work. Literally just give them away. Anything but keeping them in your shelf is better. So you can package them in different boxes, pretty boxes, and give them out to different people. Or if you super love one person and you just want that person to have it, or you can just package it in a pretty box and give it to that one person. Another thing you can do with products that don't work for you is to repurpose them. Now, what does repurposing mean? Repurposing means just using them for a different function than you initially bought them for. For example, if you bought a face cleanser and it doesn't work so well on your face, you can repurpose it and turn it to a body wash. If you bought a face cream that doesn't work for you, you can repurpose it and turn it into a hand cream or feet cream. That way you'll be able to save the environment. You get the satisfaction of having finished products that you bought with your hard-earned money. The last on the list for things that you can do with products that don't work for you is to sell them at a cheaper price online. Now, you can sell them to your friends, you can advertise it on your story on Instagram or on Facebook, your Facebook story, or you can put it on your WhatsApp status. Who knows, there might be someone who have been looking for that product, do not know where to find that product, and then comes and see you advertising that product, and at that moment you'd look like the angel that just dropped from heaven and were like, hallelujah. Because I know how many times I want to buy products that are not available in my country, and then I just happen to stumble on someone selling it. It's like I used to feel like I'm one of the most luckiest persons. So you can actually sell your products online to your friends and even to people you don't know, as long as they are within the location that you are in, so that you don't get into the whole shipping mess and the rest. So try and make sure the person is within your location so that it's easy to get the products to them without having any issue, because trust me, you don't want to be having shipping issues, or you don't want the products to get missing along the way and then there's a lot of story in between them. So you can sell them online. You can sell them online at a lower price, and someone that will be looking for that product will be very happy to buy it from you. So instead of leaving your products to expire or throwing them away or hurting your skin while trying to finish products that do not work for your skin, you can do one of these 3 things that I have mentioned, and believe me, you're going to be happier, you're going to feel more satisfied, and if you sold that product, you're going to be having money in your pockets that you can use to buy a better product that will work better for your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed yourself, and I hope you learned a lot. If you did learn something from this video, please click on the like button. If you have questions, recommendations, suggestions, or if there's a video you'd like me to make next, please leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification beside it, because we make videos every week and you don't want to miss anyone that we make. And don't forget to watch the next video after this one, because it's like a continuation and super useful, just like this one was. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay true, stay you. I love you. Merry Christmas and Addy.